Hi, in this video, we'll try and understand the intricacies of the GPT-5 model. Of course, we won't be able to understand it fully, as it's a very big breakthrough, and the internal system will of course be hidden from OpenAI. But we'll just look at the applied AI side of it rather than the research. So here is the article where they released the GPT. So it's currently open for all the free users, and only the thinking model is uh, there for the pro users. Okay, so OpenAI is really stressing how their model is useful for coding. I think it's because Claude is really good at coding, and they've also won the Lovable uh, App AI Championship or something, where everybody uses Claude. So OpenAI realized that okay, they are really behind in it, and I think that's why they are trying to emphasize coding a lot, as most of the technical users will only be the one using GPTs a lot. Yeah, and let's see. So it's very good in the benchmarks. Of course, benchmarks can be false and benchmarks can be bought. They say that they have reduced hallucinations and improved instruction following. So I think they are trying to take the best of the Claude models and the Gemini models, because most of the time I use Gemini 2.5 Pro for all my tool calling tasks, as it gives a very good reasoning on why it used a particular tool and why it did something. So it has a entire planning and it does tool calling really accurately. And then they took the coding, of course, from Anthropic. Yeah. So both I hate this design, like the gradient distances, which are there in all the AIs. Like that's so stupid. I think AIs will need to work a lot more on the aesthetics of what they're actually coding out, because this is not good. Like even when I use cursor in my laptop, when I'm coding, when I'm building something, cursor, like I have to tell it what specific aesthetics I want, and most of the time it messes up. I have to do that manually, or just give it screenshots, correct Puppeteer, and make it gonna look. So if you connect Puppeteer with your cursor, the Puppeteer can actually open the browser, take the screenshots, come back, give it to cursor, and cursor can work better on the UI. So that's what I use. Okay, this is good on the health related questions. Yep, it is a big thing. Then comes the evaluations part. Of course, these benchmarks, like you interest them a bit, but not fully. Let's just scroll out of it. Uh, I think the agentic search and browsing is very interesting. So personally, like I'm very deep into the browser automation side. A lot of my clients they came and they wanted to work on browser automation, but the thing is that agents are shit on browser automation. So I don't think like agents are ever gonna do browser automation really well. Like they may be able to do like one-time stuff like what Comet does. I think Comet is really useful, but not at scale. So accuracy and scale are something that's very challenging for them. Okay, function calling. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, I think function calling is the main part. Then we have multimodals. So yeah, on video-based racing. So why I think video-based racing is really important, because video analytics is like really difficult. It's been always like very difficult to do. Uh, and with AI, like the the aim is, I think, to put in a 1 hour video and get fine details of the video out, like fine evaluations of the video out. But I think the problem with Gemini was that it was missing on the tiny details. I don't know like how GPT-5 will perform here. Let's just try searching it. Video MMU. Let's see how it is, where it is compared to Gemini. And of course, it will be Alifus, but let's just confirm it. The leaderboard. Yeah, I think the thinking model is there, but where's the normal one? GPT-5. Oops, it's not there. Okay, okay. There's no GPT-5 normal. Okay, I think it's a thinking one only. Yeah, it's better, like slightly better than Gemini, but we don't have the details here. Like currently, I use a 2.5 Pro, and I recommend everyone to use a 2.5 Pro. On the video, I need to test it with the GPT-5. Okay, these are some dumb stuff. What Sam Altman said was that uh, GPT-5 is a PhD in almost any topic. Let's see if that's true. They have PhD level science questions. O3, GPT-5, that's very high. Yeah, yeah, that's very high. Software engineering. Like, I don't want to compare it with O3. I want to compare it with something like Gemini or Claude. I mean, of course, it will be up. Okay, CBD5 is significantly likely to hallucinate less compared to the previous models. They might have changed something on the architecture here. Okay. Yeah, I mean, looks good. Yeah, the chain of thoughts. I think this is also that's something that's important. Can you unlock? Okay, okay. Yeah, missing image. So here I think they essentially want to say that GPT-5 found the error really early. Yeah, I think that's what they want to see after mitigation, before mitigation of this error. Yep. I mean, there's just a bunch of evaluations here. I mean, at the end, it comes down to is it really useful? So we need to see. I think after 2 or 3 days, what kind of the people's perception after 2 or 3 days. Okay, GPT-5 Pro. Okay, GPT-5's default for ChatGPT. The fact is, like, if I go to ChatGPT, right, I'm on a free version. I don't have it. If I say that, are you GPT-5, right? It says that it's a GPT-4. It's not GPT-5. Yeah, look. Even though like they say that they have done it, it's kind of strange. But then when I say that GPT-5 has been released already, it searches the webs, and then it says that okay, I'm GPT-5. See, it's really strange. Really strange. Okay, I think that's all from the paper. Uh, Essentially, it's not like I would like GPT-5 was supposed to be a really, really game-changing thing, but I think it's Claude and Gemini 2.5 Pro mixed together. Although like this is I've not yet tried it fully, but yeah, this is what my thoughts are right now. But I'll need to give it some detailed prompts and see whether it works. Yeah, that's all from GPT-5. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye.